In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your GMC Terrain key fob. As you saw in the thumbnail, there are two versions of this device. I have the 3-button version here, and there's also a 5-button version that has 2 extra buttons right there. It doesn't matter which one you have. They are, in fact, the same device, just different layouts, and they take the same battery and everything like that. So just follow along with me here, and we will get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. You can do this whole process without any special tools, just using your hands alone, but you will need a battery, and for this device, it is a CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of those lying around the house, you can go check out that first link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for just a few dollars. Now, the first step here is just to flip out the key. Now look over on the back. This is the back section of plastic that we will be removing. So you can just go ahead and hold onto this top part that will remain fixed, and then push up on the inside. Let me show you. Holding here, right where the key was, I'm pushing up on the lip on the inside there, and the back piece will come right off. Once more, you're flipping the key out, and then inside this key area, hold the top, push up. If that is a little difficult for you, it can be easier to take a large coin, like a quarter, and go in the key area and do the same thing, just hold, but then twist the coin. And that can kind of give you some better leverage to remove this back piece of plastic. From here, you can see there is a little plastic tab holding the battery down. If you just push on the battery on that side, it will click right out, come flying right out like you just saw there. Once more, once it is in there, you just find that area and you just push down on it like that. So you can now dispose of your old battery, take your new CR2032, and make sure when you are putting it in there that the positive side is facing up. So you want to see that plus sign facing up. Now all we need to do is just slide this back piece of plastic on there and squeeze, and you can just flip your key back in there, and with that you are finished. You have a new battery in there that should last you for years, and hopefully you saved some money doing the process yourself at home. If this video was helpful for you, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.